Top 5 Folding Knife. Top 5. Benchmade, Mini Griptilian. 2.91, 7.39 centimeters, drop point style blade, weighing only 2.68 ounces, 75.98 grams. 154 centimeters, 58-61 HRC, stainless steel with well-rounded characteristics, including good edge retention, overall toughness, and corrosion resistance. Injection molded, GFN, glass-filled nylon, handle offers exceptional strength to weight, stainless steel liners, screws, axis, and coated reversible tip-up clip. Ambidextrous design, axis gets its function from two Omega-style springs, one on each liner, give the locking bar its inertia to engage the knife tang. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 4. Lightweight FRN flat ground PlainEdge knife. Made using the highest quality materials. Tested for quality and durability. The most trusted name in cutlery needs. 4-way clip. Screw-together construction. Skeletonized steel internal liners. Phosphor bronze washers. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 3. Cold Steel Recon 1 Tactical Knife. Tactical knife with vacuum heat treated, sub-zero quenched stainless steel blade. Tough finish, resists rust, eliminates glare, and slips through tough material. Handle's G10 laminate scales are contoured and scalloped to produce superior non-slip grip. Thumb disc for easy opening, extra strong pocket clip for convenient transport. Blade measures 4 inches long, overall length of 9-3/8 inches, weighs 5.3 ounces. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 2. Benchmade, 940, reverse Tanto. Blade style, 3.40, 8.64 centimeters, reverse Tanto style blade, weighing only 2.90 ounces, 82.21 grams. CPMS 30V, 58-60 HRC, premium stainless steel with well-rounded characteristics, including excellent corrosion resistance and superb edge qualities. The anodized aluminum handle offers a solid handle form and function at a nominal weight. Ambidextrous design, the axis gets its function from two Omega-style springs, one on each liner, give the locking bar its inertia to engage the knife tang. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 1. Kershaw Ken Onion Blur Folding Knife. Speed safe assisted opening, inset liner lock, thumb stud. Reversible, tip up/tip down, pocket clip. Steel, Sandvik 14C28N, DLC coating, handle, 6061 T6 anodized aluminum, TrackTech inserts. Blade length, 3.4 inches. 8.6 centimeters, closed length, 4.5 inches. 11.4 centimeters, overall length, 7.9 inches. 20 centimeters. Weight, 3.9 ounces, 110.5 grams, made in the USA. Check description for more info and reviews.